Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix your account is compromised problem into your Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, before going into the solution, first let's know about the reason for the problem. If you share your account with other persons like one or two or many more persons, your account will probably get this problem. And the second most common reason for this problem is if you share your password into the website for fake likes, comments and followers, there is very high chance that you might get this type of problem. And the third reason is the third party applications or websites that you are logging with your Meta account, which Meta policy doesn't allow you to. Now, in order to solve this, you just simply have to uninstall your Instagram application from your mobile phone if you are using the mobile phone and go to the Instagram, but not from the application. Even if it's in your mobile phone or computer, just simply open your browser and into there search for this Instagram password reset into there. And in your browser just simply click into this first link that said reset password, and from this page just simply enter your email address, phone number or username of your Meta account, and after that click to this send login link option. Then you can easily reset your password. Then after successfully resetting your password, don't repeat the first 3 mistakes that I have mentioned in this video. Then your problem of your account is compromised in Instagram will be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.